Use mathematical tables to evaluate square root of 2.935 times 0.0765 over 32.74. So from the log table, the log of 2.935 is 0.4676. The log of 0.0765 from the log table is bar 2.8837. How do we get bar 2.8837? We can write 0.0765 as 7.65 times 10. We move the decimal places 1, 2, this other side, so we move it 10 power negative 2, and this negative 2 becomes bar 2, which is here. So it is bar 2. Then from the log tables we check the log of 7.65, which is equal to 0.8837. So this one becomes bar 2.8837. So now this is 2.935 times 0.0765. We multiply, it means that we add here. So when we add here, we end up with bar 1.3513. Now from the log table 32.74, the log of 32.74 is 1.5150. How do we get this log here? We write 32 as, this 32 we write it as 3.274 times 10. We move the decimal place from here to here, so it is times 10 power 1. 10 power 1. So this power 1 becomes 1 here. So it is 1 point. Then we get the log of 3.274 from the log table, which is 0.5150. So now 2.935 times 0.0765 we divide by 32.74, which means that we subtract 32.74 from the numerator. We subtract the denominator from the numerator. So it means that here we subtract, here we subtract. So when we subtract, we end up with bar 3.8363. Bar 3.8363. And now we want to find 2.935 times 0 32.0765 divided by 32.74, and this expression here, the square root of 2.935 times 0.0765 over 32.74 can be written as a 2.935 times 0.0765 over 32.74 into bracket power a half. We can write it as power a half. So now when we come down here, this is power a half. So power a half of this, it means that this is bar 3.8363. We multiply by a half. We multiply by a half. When we multiply it by a half, we are going to end up with bar 2.91815. Bar 2.91815. So now we want to get the antilog of bar 2.91815 from the antilog table. So this bar 2 here is a 10 power negative 2. 10 power negative 2 times the antilog of 0.91815 from the antilog table, which is giving us 8.283. 8.283 when we multiply by 10 power negative 2 is giving us a 0.08283. 0.08283. So our solution here will be 0.08283. 0.08283. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next video.